So, you want to advance your IT career, but where do you even start? Well, today we're going to lay it all out. We're talking about the Cisco Certification Roadmap. Think of it as your personal GPS, guiding you step by step from day one all the way to the peak of your profession. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? In this crazy, fast-paced world of tech, your skills are everything. But how do you prove you've got them? How do you walk into a room or into an interview and have people instantly know you're the real deal? That's the million-dollar question, and it's exactly what we're tackling. You know you've got the knowledge, but you need a way to validate it. You need a clear signal that tells the world, hey, I know my stuff. And that signal, my friends, is certification. Honestly, think of certifications as your career superpower. They're what gets you in the door for interviews, they prove you're ready for that next big promotion, and they set you up for a lifetime of learning in a field that, let's face it, never stops changing.
Okay, so the Cisco path is actually really simple to understand. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. There are 4 clear levels, 4 stages of mastery that take you from base camp right to the summit. Let's take a look at the entire map.
So here it is, the whole journey at a glance. You start at the entry level. This is all about just proving you're ready to get in the game. Then you move up to associate, where you master the essentials you need to really launch your career. After that, it's the professional level, where you start to specialize, to really dig deep. And then, at the very top, you have the expert level, the absolute pinnacle of the networking world. It's a clear, straightforward climb. All right, let's zoom in on the base of the mountain, because this is where it all begins. For most people, the journey starts at either the entry or the associate level. These are the foundations that great careers are built on. At the entry level, you've got the CCST, the Cisco Certified Support Technician. And what's cool is you get to choose your focus right from the start. Are you all about protecting systems and fighting off threats? Then CCST Cybersecurity is for you. Or are you more fascinated by how everything connects and talks to each other? Well, then you'll start with CCST Networking. Now, that next step up is a big one. We're talking about the CCNA. This is without a doubt one of the most recognized and respected certifications in the entire industry. Getting your CCNA is a major milestone. It tells employers everywhere that you have mastered the fundamental skills needed to succeed in modern networking. Okay, so once you've got that solid CCNA foundation, this is where things get really, really exciting. We're climbing up to the professional level, the CCNP, and this is where you stop following a set path and you start blazing your own. I mean this literally. You get to customize your certification journey. You choose a technology track that you're passionate about, and then you pick a specific concentration within that track. This is how you build those deep, specialized skills that make you an invaluable expert in what you care about most. So, how does it work? It's actually super simple. To get a CCNP certification, you just have to pass 2 exams. That's it. First, a core exam that covers the fundamentals of that technology area. And second, a concentration exam that you pick from a list of specialized topics. Core plus concentration. Boom, you're a professional. Let's make this real. For example, say you're into enterprise networking. You'd take the NCore core exam, and then maybe choose a concentration in something like advanced routing, or maybe security is your thing. You'd pass the SCORE core exam, and then concentrate on, say, Cisco Firepower. See how that works? You tailor the path to fit your career goals. And now, we make our way to the summit. This is the expert level, home of the legendary CCIE, the Cisco Certified Network Expert. And that is not an exaggeration. The CCIE is known all over the world as the mark of a true master. It means you have an elite level of technical knowledge, and just as importantly, the practical hands-on skills to back it up. Earning this is a massive achievement. And here is the coolest part, a brilliant piece of synergy in this roadmap. Remember that core exam you took to get your CCNP? Well, that very same exam also counts as the written qualifying exam for the CCIE. That's right. Your journey to the professional level is literally the first step on the path to becoming an expert. How efficient is that? So, to become a CCIE, you pass that core exam we talked about, and then you face the lab. A challenging 8-hour hands-on lab exam where you have to design, build, and troubleshoot complex networks against the clock. And you can do this in some of the most in-demand areas, like enterprise, security, data center, and collaboration. Okay, wow. We have surveyed the entire mountain, from the very first steps at base camp all the way to that incredible view from the summit. So now, let's bring it back down to you. With this map in your hands, what is your next move? Here's a simple little action plan. Number 1, figure out where you're starting. Are you new to the field and perfect for the CCST, or do you have some experience and you're ready to tackle the CCNA? 2, pick a technology track that gets you excited. 3, commit to it and just start prepping for that first exam. And 4, just embrace the fact that in this field, we are all lifelong learners. The path is clear. The opportunity is right there. Your summit is waiting for you. It's time to take that first step. And for all the details, exam topics, study materials, you name it, this is your go-to resource. Head over there and get started. Thanks so much for watching.